A major winter storm is making its way across the northeastern United States. The storm knocked out power to thousands and caused hundreds of accidents up and down the East Coast. Some areas are expected to have as much as 2 feet or more than half a meter of snow on the ground by tonight.
Show me clear from this accident on
That same storm system is to blame for this close call caught on camera in Pennsylvania. Paramedics were on the scene of a crash on Wednesday afternoon when an oncoming pickup truck hit an icy curve and skidded directly into their path. Luckily, everyone was able to get out of the way just in time. Tom Hansen is tracking the storm from New York City.
The storm knocked out power to thousands and caused hundreds of accidents up and down the East Coast.
If you don't need to be out, stay home. Presently, I'm on the scene of a 19-car plough collision.
For many, this also was the first heavy snowfall since the coronavirus pandemic began.
I've been in my apartment for like 7 months now, so what's another day?
Here in New York City, indoor dining is shut down to slow the spread of the virus. Many restaurants have outdoor setups that snowplow truck drivers have been trained to work around.
So our operators are going to go very slowly, very methodically, and do their best to control speed.
The city received more snow from this storm than all of last winter.
I didn't think it was going to come down this crazy.
Schools here will be doing remote learning today, but many others are taking the snow day. Children in West Philadelphia didn't waste the opportunity to play last night.
Really fun by going down like the hill, and it was amazing.
State and local officials say they've made adjustments to ensure shipments of the coronavirus vaccine continue despite the storm.
A dangerous snowy stir pounding the northeast.
This is going to be all day today and into the night for this cleanup.
The storm dumped more snow in parts of the northeast than all of last winter. Some areas saw more than 40 inches of snow.
The snow is very heavy, so if you're not in good physical shape, I would definitely advise you not to shovel the snow.
At times, the storm could bring near blizzard conditions with wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour, potential flooding, possible power outages, and ice accumulation.
The roadways out there are dangerous, they are slick, they are icy.
The near whiteout conditions caused crashes throughout the region, from this police cruiser in Massachusetts to this scary scene in Pennsylvania. Watch as an out-of-control truck slams into an emergency vehicle. First responders running out of the way just in time. Snowplows working around the clock to keep the roadways clear.
We can't afford to take time off, or pause plowing during a storm, because then, it'll get ahead of us.
It's not just the roadways. The runways are also slick. This Spirit plane skidding off the pavement after landing at Maryland's BWI Airport. But as the storm disrupts travel, governors are confident it will not significantly impact state response to the COVID-19 pandemic.
The vaccines have arrived, so we're not going to be slowed